I can see the head.
It looks kind of like a chocolate-covered peanut.
And yeah, it looks like a chocolate-covered almond or something similar. I'm not expecting a ton of flavor outside of the chocolate and cinnamon.
Doesn't look too bad.
No.
No, it looks chocolatey.
I was really worried that it was going to look more cicada-like, and this is really kind of just looks like a little piece of chocolate. Yours is a Whopper. That one like splayed out whenever it was getting ready.
Mr. Cicada. Down the hatch.
Cheers.
3.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Yeah. It's okay. It's a little mealy. It's a little grainy.
Crunchy.
Yeah, not
I
bad.
like it.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's pretty good.
You know, a little coconut in there. Mm-hmm. Oh.
I just had a wing just come right
The
off.
wings definitely crunch.
The wings crunch.
Oh, is that wing in my teeth?
I'm powering through, I feel like. Oh no! Oh my god, Ellie, you got this.
There's a wing stuck in my tooth.